If you want to add a picture to a specific contact on Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all we need to open the phone app. Once you go to the phone app, over here we want to make sure that we have contacts selected, and then you want to choose the contact for which you want to set a photo. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here, and then we're going to use this eye icon that we have on the right side. Then once we go to details, then over here we should be able to tap on edit at the bottom of the screen. Here we have the picture section, so we can tap on it in order to choose the profile picture for that contact. Of course, you want to grant access to photos and videos on your phone. And there we go. Here we can just choose a picture from the gallery. We can also use stickers, Galaxy avatar, or just one of these colors. And also here in the upper right corner, we have this camera icon that allows you to just open the camera and take a picture right now. In my case, I'm just going to open gallery and let's choose a random picture over here. And once you choose it, you should be able to decide if you want to set the picture or also the profile card. And in my case, I'm just going to set up the picture, tap on the done, wait a couple of seconds, and we should be able to customize the picture so you can still move left and right and up and down. You can zoom in and zoom out. And then once you set up the picture, by the way, you can also apply effect over here. So if you go to effect, then you should be able to apply something cool. So let's take a look. There we go, we have the original style. We can also use the grayscale, or you can choose a specific color over here. There we go. Now, in my case, I'm not gonna apply any of these, so let's just go back and we're gonna tap on, you can either tap on save in case this show up, or you can tap on done in the upper right corner, and then save at the bottom of the screen. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.